for my final morning report analysis video of today, Thursday the 9th of March with me, Richard Brown, analyst at Headset Markets. Let's look at gold. Gold continues to correct. Look at the number of bear candles that are racking up now. This is certainly turning into a changing outlook. Sort of breaking below 1220 in the last few days. That's confirmed the breakdown, I think, of the, well, certainly the uptrend and the bull argument. You're now coming back to the key sort of level around sort of 1220, which is the psychological level. But to be honest, I think that you sort of look at the chart here and you think, well, 1180 really is probably more where we're looking at in terms of where we're coming back to. The acceleration of the sort of bear conditions in the momentum is ongoing really. 36 on the RSI, well obviously below 50 and negatively configured. The MACD line's accelerating lower, the stochastics really strongly bearish now, and any sort of rallies are being sold into. You've got this sort of developing downtrend here on the daily chart, which you can see on the hourly chart, comes in around sort of 1218. So that is again underneath the 1220 level. Lower highs, lower lows. Old supports becoming new resistances. It's all there really. Look how bearish the hourly MACD lines are. Not even really getting above 40. So it is just on a downside downward move really. You could argue the 55-hour moving average is a basis of resistance in the last sort of few days, a week or so. That comes in around 1214. So you got initial resistance arguably. There's a little minor pivot around 1214, 1215, and again 1218, 1219. So some levels there to work with, but certainly I think the market has changed the outlook on gold now. It doesn't look positive at all. Increasingly negative on the candles. It's all looking at negativity really, and a move back towards 1180. I'm sort of, if you look at the longer term picture on gold, you can see how you are sort of still tracking the moves lower on the longer term moving averages. You're still falling. You're now on the brink of moving below all the moving averages. So the momentum indicators turning lower or turning negative on a longer term basis. That doesn't look great either, does it? So generally speaking, the outlook is pretty negative now. Certainly would be on gold below 1200, which is a psychological level, but that would then open 1180 as the next key test. So I wish you good luck in your trading today on gold, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow. Thank you.